Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to be taking a look at this 1992 Chevrolet S-10. This vehicle has just a little bit over 100,000 miles on it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Great condition, inside and out. Of course, as you watch the video, as we continue on, you'll notice that this vehicle definitely has been restored, because just to get out there and find yourself a 92 S10 in this type of shape, it's got to be restored. Paint is flawless. I mean, everything about it is almost like perfect. Front grille looks good. You got the billet aluminum grille up there. You got the red going around the Chevy logo. All your lights, all the glass, all the plastic is in really nice shape. Down the bottom looks good. You can tell it's never been rubbed up on any curbs or anything like that. All your body lines and lines between, here and here look super good. As you can see, everything's matching up quite nice. Another thing I always like to tell people to pay attention to on vehicles when you're looking at them, especially pre-owned cars, is like, look at the glass. How nice and clean the glass is on this old school truck, and all the moldings and rubber that goes around the windows. It's in really good shape. The mirrors look good, all that. Up top, wipers, all this looks good. This one's got a set of Budnick billet aluminum wheels. They are 15-inch in size with a set of BF Goodrich tires, radial TAs with plenty of tread on them. Good looking rims and tires. Also, your rotors and your calipers and all look really nice behind the rims. Kind of has that mini trucking look about it. Sits a little bit lower to the ground, but definitely not body dropped. I mean, it's clean. Back bumper looks good. Exhaust sounds good. Engine sounds good. Here is the passenger side. Back window looking good. The iconic SMC logo. You also notice when looking through the front window here, the dash is in great shape, no cracks or anything like that. Look at the door panel. It does have roll-up windows. Dash looks fantastic. Logo's looking good there. Open up the glove box. Got the original books and manuals to it. I mean, that's incredible. Look how nice and clean. 92 Chevrolet owner's manual. I mean, just as nice and clean as it was on day one. That's amazing. Still got the tape deck in there. And we got some tapes. AC does work. Seats look good. They're not heavily worn. Carpets look good. Mats look good. I mean, look at this. This original GM floor mat for an S10. It's incredible to see this truck in such nice shape. All the plastics, I mean, everything has been done to perfection with this truck. As you can see back here, back behind the seat looks good. Wow, this is nice. All right, when we open this up, you'll see that it has this. It's carpeted. Shocks work great on that. Got the bed rug in the back. Very clean, very nice. And everything just looks perfect. Wow. And when you think about it, you might think to yourself, well, they're asking $22,000 for this truck, $22,900, so really realistically $23,000. But you can obviously see while watching this video that this truck is definitely worth every penny, because it is in that type of condition. There's the exact mileage right there, 104, 16, almost be 164. Steering wheel looks good. Go ahead and pop the hood. And here's under the hood. Got a billet aluminum thing there. You got this, the AC, all that looks good. I mean, just very clean. There you go. It really doesn't get more perfect than that, folks, when you're out shopping for a 92 S-10. So it might be one of the higher priced ones out there online to buy, but also one of the probably cleanest, nicest ones out there you can buy. It's a Southern vehicle. Originally was sold in Tennessee, and now we're here in North Charleston, South Carolina. So it's a Southern vehicle. You don't have to worry about rust or corrosion or anything like that. And you definitely can tell someone really put a lot of time and effort into it. I think the owner of our store earlier was saying he probably thinks someone put at least 20 to 30 grand investment into the truck just to get it the way it is right now. I can see that for sure. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, I'm Chad in sales at Southern Motor Company, located right here in North Charleston, South Carolina. One of the only pre-owned dealerships in the Charleston area that I know of in this low country here that sells stuff like this. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.